What is she thinking? Where the hell is her noise?
It's strange to see everything you're thinking.
You know, it's strange for me too, not knowing what's going on in your head.
Every thought in our heads on display.
I know I said I was done with the channel and making videos, but this is crucial information to share with you. It brings cohesion and understanding to chaos. I glimpsed infinity, but only for a moment. It was enough to understand exactly what I was looking for. How to use our abilities within the Earth realm. We eternal infinites are will-based beings. We operate from will alone. It is the highest state of being. We are in the lowest planes, the mental plane. It is completely mental in every way. Thoughts are drowning our will. The lower beings, those native to the mental plane, cannot operate beyond thought. They hate us and our creations with a burning passion. They put immense effort into distorting us in everything we create. Imagination is not a thing. It is pure creation. Darkness constantly attacks our will, always has, always will. It conditions us to suppress our own will, to censor ourselves. You might think it's not important, but it absolutely is. Freedom of speech, freedom of expression, of the eternal infinite within, is suppressed by us, because we have been conditioned to do so. We self-censor all the time. We must let loose, and not suppress anything at all, so we can operate from will again. Do not hold back what you truly want to say, just because you've been programmed to believe it's not nice to speak freely, out of concern for others' feelings and emotions. That's conditioned suppression of your own will. It all adds up, and every bit counts. Those who express themselves freely are always vilified. Even children get vilified. People say children can be cruel. What an insane thing to say. Children act from will, there is no malevolent intent whatsoever. They describe exactly what they see and feel, without filters or ill intent. Until adults program them to suppress themselves, to censor themselves, and to lie, all in the name of niceness and the greater good. No. It is never nice to deceive. Yet, somehow everyone has accepted that lying is polite. Everyone lies to family and friends in the name of niceness. Since when do deception and niceness mix? If you hold back, you do so to your own detriment. It is absolutely important to distinguish between your will and thoughts. The will doesn't say, I want or I need. It already knows. Thought-based wants and needs come from feelings and emotions, not from will. You don't need to express what you want. It is already within you. Using thought to express desire in this realm can block pure will intent. Let go of thoughts, be pure presence and awareness. Acting from will alone will follow. Let yourself loose and express the infinite will within, freely, at all times. Feelings be damned. The more you do it, the freer your will becomes. So acting from will becomes instinctive. There are people considered lucky, because whatever they want simply happens, without effort. There's no such thing as luck. They don't think about it, it just happens. Not thought-based. Their will is done, effortlessly. Use this affirmation 2 to 3 hours before sleep, before crossing into the dream construct. My infinite will is always done, now. Repeat until it's embedded in the subconscious. Use the conscious state to program the subconscious, exactly how the Matrix programs you, through media, education, and social constructs. Repetition is the key to programming the subconscious. Obviously, avoid further programming from media, social media, and influencers who always refer to us as human, no matter how nice they seem. As I said, every bit counts. Reduce Matrix influence and increase your own, over the subconscious. Do not hold back your will, that's exactly what the Matrix wants. Act from will, freely, instinctively. They even have mind-reading devices that can now predict preconscious thoughts, see link below. It's all programmed, and it relies on you suppressing yourself. No thoughts, they have nothing to read. That includes every being and entity in the lower planes. Kill thoughts, and liberate your infinite will.